In this video, we're going to learn about two types of special multiplications, the first of which is squaring a binomial. Now, sometimes when people see x plus 1 squared, they simply write this as x squared plus 1 squared, which is 1. Now, this is incorrect, and we're going to show you with expansion boxes what the correct answer is. So let's erase that and do this with expansion boxes. Now, x plus 1 squared is the same thing as x plus 1 times x plus 1. And we have to remember that this is really a multiplication. If we set this up with expansion boxes, we can see that this is x, 1, and 1. This would be x squared. 1 times x is x, and 1 times 1 is 1. And if we add these, this is x squared plus x plus x plus 1, and that's x squared plus 2x plus 1. Let's take a look at 3x plus 2 squared. We're going to set this up using expansion boxes. And this will be 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2. This will be 9x squared. 3x times 2 is 6x. 3x times 2 is 6x. And 2 times 2 is 4. So this will be 9x squared plus 6x plus 6x is 12x. And 2 times 2 is 4. I'd like you to try these two multiplications on your own. Stop the video, and I'll show you the answers when we're done. Okay, now we'll take a look at the answers. If we set this one up using expansion boxes, very quickly, this is x and negative 5, x, negative 5, so this would be x squared minus 5x minus 5x, and plus 25. So this would be x squared minus 10x plus 25. And lastly, 4x plus 3 squared. Again, we'll set those up with expansion boxes. So it would be 4x plus 3, 4x plus 3. This would be 16x squared, 12x, 12x, and 9. And this would be 16x squared plus 24x plus 9. Now we're going to look at the product of a sum and difference. So this is the product of a sum and difference of the same thing. So the sum is x plus 3. The difference is x minus 3. Now let's work this one out with expansion boxes first. So we'll make a quick expansion box. X plus 3 and minus 3. This will be x squared, negative 3x, positive 3x, and negative 9. And what you notice is that the terms, the x terms, in this case, are opposites, and they cancel each other out. So this will simply be x squared minus 9. If we do that one more time with 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1, let's see if it still works. Make the expansion boxes. Here's 2x plus 1, 2x minus 1. This will be 4x squared. This will be negative 2x. This will be 2x. And this will be negative 1. And when we square this, again, you'll notice that the 2x and negative 2x, when we add them together, will add to 0. So we're left with 4x squared minus 1. So what you may notice is that when you have a product of a sum and a difference, that's simply the square of the first part, or the first term, minus the square of the second term. Now I'd like you to work out the following 3 examples. Stop the video, do the work in your journal, and then restart the video to see the answers. Okay, you may have used expansion boxes. I'm just going to do these multiplications quickly using the trick that we saw. This is a sum and a difference, x plus 4 times x minus 4. So this is just going to be x squared minus 16. This next one is a sum and difference, x plus 7, x minus 7. So this is simply going to be x squared minus 49. And finally, this is 5x minus 2 times 5x plus 2. It's a difference and a sum. And of course, we could have reversed these and put them as a sum and difference, so it's really the same thing. And this is going to be 25x squared minus 4.